Now, what if I told you the fastest way to grow your business isn't about spending more on ads, building another fancy funnel, or chasing the latest hack, but instead it's something you already have access to and you're probably ignoring it. Now, you've tried all the growth tricks, you've read all the books, you watched all the gurus, maybe you even dropped thousands on campaigns that fizzled out. And yet you keep asking yourself, why isn't my business growing the way I thought it would? Here's the harsh truth. You're not failing because your product isn't good enough. You're not failing because you're not trying hard enough. You're failing because people don't believe you yet. And today I'm going to show you the number one growth strategy you're not using. One that actually works, not just for giant corporations, but for everyday small businesses. So stick around, because once you see how this plays out, you'll realize you don't need to shout louder than your competitors. You just need to let your customers do the talking. Every entrepreneur knows the grind. You put time, money, and energy into marketing, hoping this time it'll finally hit. You boost posts, run Facebook ads, maybe even hire an agency. The leads trickle in, but they don't stick. Sales feel like a constant uphill battle. Why? Because the market is noisy. Everybody's saying the same thing. We're the best. We care about our customers. We deliver results. And to your audience, well, it all blurs together. They've been burned before by overpromises, by gimmicks, by slick ads that never live up to the hype. So now when they see another polished marketing campaign, their guard immediately goes up. It's not that they can't hear you. It's that they simply don't trust you. And here's the painful reality. No amount of clever copywriting or ad spend can replace trust. So let's break it down. Flashy ads, they might get clicks, but they don't build credibility. People know when they're being sold to. Discounts and promotions, they can drive short-term sales, sure, but they don't create loyalty. You see, customers trained to chase discounts aren't customers that you can count on. And funnel after funnel, sure, funnels work, but only if the person already trusts you enough to enter in the first place. You see, most businesses keep recycling the same old tactics, hoping for different results. But in a world where attention is shrinking and skepticism is rising, what you actually need isn't more attention. It's simply more belief. Now, as Alex Hormozi put it in his book, $100 Million Offers, the biggest limiter to your success isn't the value of your offer. It's how much people believe you can actually deliver it. And that belief gap is where most businesses simply get stuck. So what's the strategy that actually works then? It's not a secret funnel hack. It's not another social media algorithm trick. It's a user-generated content. Sounds simple, right? Almost too simple. But that's exactly why most businesses overlook it. You see, user-generated content, or UGC, is when your customers create the content for you. You see reviews, testimonials, photos, videos, social media posts, real people sharing real experiences. Why does this work? Because it flips the dynamic. See, instead of you trying to convince the world that you're good, your customers are showing the world for you. It's authenticity at scale. So think about it. When you're scrolling online and you see a business bragging about themselves, you ignore it. But when you see someone you know, or maybe even someone that kind of looks like you or feels like you, raving about that business, it definitely lands different. And that's the power of UGC. You see, it takes you out of the equation and lets your happy customers become your best salespeople. So let's talk about the psychology behind this, because this is why this strategy works better than almost anything else. People don't trust businesses, but they do trust people. Psychologists call this social proof. The idea that we look to others to decide what's safe, valuable, or even worth our time. Now, I'm sure you felt it yourself. When choosing a restaurant, one has a line out the door and the other is empty. Which one do you pick? Well, the one with the line is the one you really, really want, even if you've never even eaten there before. Why? Because people vote with their actions, and that is far more persuasive than any ad could ever be. Now apply that to your business. If potential customers see other real people praising your product, showing results, or just enjoying the experience, their skepticism drops. They move on. They move from, this is just another business trying to sell me something, to, wait, is this legit? Other people are getting results? Maybe I can too. And that's the believability gap. Now close. Now let me show you how this plays out in the real world. Not in some Fortune 500 case study, but in small businesses just like yours. Now imagine a local coffee shop. They could spend thousands on Facebook ads telling the neighborhood they make the best lattes in town. But what happens when instead they simply run a small contest? Post a photo of your favorite drink, tag us, and we'll feature you on our page. Well, suddenly their customers are doing the marketing for them. Photos flood Instagram, smiling faces, foam art, cozy vibes. The shop reposts these pictures, and thanks to the customers, and it creates a loop of community. See, now when a customer stumbles across their profile, what do they see? Not ads, not promotions, real people enjoying real drinks. That's instant credibility. Now, here's one that hits home for service providers like cleaning businesses, for example. You see a local cleaning company ask customers to post simple before and after shots of their living room or their office after the cleaning. The company then reposts those transformations with a thank you note. What happens? Prospects scrolling online don't see, we're the best cleaning company. They see, wow, that's my neighbor's house. That's a real transformation. That credibility is priceless. It's the difference between being ignored and being trusted. So, how do you actually implement this in your business? Step one, you got to make it easy. Don't expect customers to create polished content. A simple photo, a quick video short, a short testimonial is enough on their personal phone. Step two, encourage it. You can see, run small contests, offer a discount, or just simply ask directly. People love being recognized, and sometimes that's all it takes. Step three, showcase it. Repost on your socials, add it to your website, use it in ads. Make your customers the face of your brand. Step four, create the loop. You see, every time you share customer content, you reinforce the behavior. More people see it, more people want to be featured, and the cycle grows. This isn't about a one-time campaign. It's about building a system where your customers continuously feed your marketing machine. And that's the great part. Now, you might be hesitant. You might even be thinking, but what if nobody posts? What if this doesn't scale? Well, here's the truth. You don't need hundreds of people posting right away. Even 3 to 5 authentic stories will outperform dozens of generic ads. Because one real person's story is worth more than 1,000 polished slogans. And once you start, momentum starts building. People see others posting and they want to join in. Community grows, trust compounds, and your marketing starts running on autopilot. So let's bring this all together then. Most businesses fail to grow not because their product isn't good, but because people don't believe them. Old tactics, flashy ads, funnels, gimmicks don't build trust. The strategy you're not using but should be is user-generated content. It's the simplest, most powerful way to cut through the noise, to connect with your audience, and to scale trust. And the best part, You don't need a huge budget. You just need to let your happy customers speak for you. So here's my challenge. This week, ask one customer to share their story, just one. Then post it, feature it, celebrate it. Watch what happens next. Because the fastest way to grow your business isn't by shouting louder. It's by letting others do the talking. Now, if you tried user-generated content in your business, drop a comment below and share your results. I'd love to hear them. And if you want more strategies that actually drive growth, check out our community, GHL Money Labs, where we talk about this and many more strategies, all geared toward helping you make money and, more importantly, helping your clients and customers make money as well.